Ah! Oh! Woo! Okay. Steady. Let's grab some beer. What do you want to put in?
Everything.
Coors Light? Corona?
Guinness.
Guinness too?
Smirnoff
And
Ice.
Smirnoff Ice? Okay. Alright. And then some Angry Orchard. Beautiful. Okay. Alright, let's begin.
This is so big. How much does that weigh?
I don't know. I know it costs. How much does it cost? 50? No.
60.
$60. Because we paid cash. Okay, hold on. I gotta come in at an angle, right? Oh, this one easier to cut than some of the ones I've done before. Yeah, 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 yeah.
Too thick.
Wow. Yeah, okay.
Eee.
So I got like a Smirnoff Ice here. That's a nice spot for one, right? So let's do a nice little marking circle right there. Uh-huh. Yes, sir. Yeah, a little Guinness, probably like here.
They're all the same size, right?
Yeah, pretty much. You could use the same bottle for all guys. Dry ice. Seal that bad boy up. Guys, just to give you an idea, that dry ice is making these ice cold. This is freezing. And there you have it, the pumpkin beer cooler. So, okay, this does keep your beer ice cold, okay? Dry ice is freezing. And you just whip this out, pop the top, good to go. Stick another one in just to keep it cold. Well, I already got one open, but let's just suppose I could keep that cold for the time being anyway, even though it's open. So drink responsibly, don't drink and drive, have fun this Halloween. Later.